What is up, everyone? This is Tiffany with thegearlady.com, and today we are talking about Microspikes versus snowshoes. So we're going to dive into the differences between them and when and where you want to use each of them. To be totally real, the very first time that I did any type of winter hiking was just last year. Up until that point, I did not think that hiking was a winter sport. Sorry, I didn't know that. But I tried using Microspikes for the first time last year and loved it. And then I tried snowshoeing for the first time and I loved that experience as well. So I will link the video that I posted all about it here. First thing, let's talk about which types of conditions you're going to use Microspikes in versus snowshoes. The purpose of Microspikes is to help you climb across hard, compact snow. If it's icy or hard, you're going to have the Microspikes on the bottom of your shoe and you're going to just kind of climb across the snow, and it's going to help you get extra grip and traction. Do my hand movements here help you to understand what I'm saying? Okay, good. Glad we're on the same page. Snowshoes, on the other hand, are made to help you stay on the top of the snow. The biggest piece of advice that every person gave me about snowshoeing was do not go unless it snows. Fresh snow, fresh powder is really where you're gonna get the most bang for your buck with snowshoes. Be kind of trailblazing, staying on the top of the snow. That's where you're going to use snowshoes. I went snowshoeing for the very first time and it was an unreal experience. I had no idea what to really expect, but when I got out there, I was so amazed. Like the whole time we were out there, I'm like, guys, this is amazing. My mind was seriously blown when I went snowshoeing because you're walking across this unbelievably deep snow, but it feels like you're walking across snow that's like maybe a foot deep. It's hard to grasp how deep the snow is based off of snowshoeing videos because you just see the person kind of walking across the top. So I actually took my snowshoes off and tried walking across the snow to kind of show the difference in what that experience was like with snowshoes and then without snowshoes. So as you can see, it was absolutely a different experience hiking across with snowshoes versus not.
Note to self, don't try that.
I recorded that.
If you're looking to do winter hiking and you're in an area that has a lot of snow, you absolutely want to invest in some good quality snowshoes. I will link some of the ones that I recommend down below. The best way to think of it, if you think of hard, compact snow, that's where you're gonna use Microspikes. Fluffy, light snow, that's where you're gonna use snowshoes. If you're looking to just do winter hiking, Microspikes are a really good kind of all-around item that are good to just have on hand. I always recommend that if you're wanting to do any type of winter hiking, you just purchase them. Before I bought mine, I had a couple times where I wanted to go hiking, but then the conditions that day were colder than normal, and so I would need Microspikes. So it's just good to kind of purchase them in advance. So I'll link the ones that I got. They're actually just from Amazon down below. If you're wanting to get more information about Microspikes, I'll link my video where I go in depth about my experience here. So there you have it. There's the differences between Microspikes and snowshoes. Hopefully this video was helpful. Comment down below. I want to hear, have you used Microspikes? Have you used snowshoes? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you like better? If you wouldn't mind hitting that like button down below, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now, and I will see you soon in my next video. Is it hard to take me seriously when I've got this going on?